time is it, guys? Super late namin gumising. And nanood pa si Mac ng boxing game. And hindi ko na lang din in-open yung vlog. Ganito lang yung itsura ko. It's bare. Hindi pala bare. Naglagay ako ng kilay. So, it's 4:51 p.m. Saturday, December 12. And Mac and I are gonna go to Target and mall. Magtingin ng mga Christmas stuff. Yun, lagi na lang kaming umaalis. Nakakainis. I was even thinking na vacation, I'm just gonna be lazy at home. But turns out, ang dami pala namin kulang-kulang. And since we don't make a list, we just go whatever. Super spontaneous. Kaya yan. Ay, hindi din pala ako nakapag-charge ng camera. So, one battery is charging over there. And then itong isa, siguro malobat na to. Ang ganda pala tignan ng Christmas tree sa TV, Bibo. Look at it. Ito na pala, nalagay na namin ang R. Okay guys, we are home. So, since January pa darating yung couch namin, kailangan namin muna itong airbed, diba? Pero tingnan nyo. As in, pumutok siya. Nag-make siya ng super malakas na noise. So, bumili kami ng bagong airbed. Very cheap naman, $9. So, ito. Same brand. And same din ng price. $9 din to eh. Yan din, $9. Tapon na lang to kasi it's not gonna work na. Like, as in, nahihilo ka pag upo mo kasi talagang pag ganyan-ganyan na siya, oh. Tingnan niyo itong part na to. Mutok. Nasobrahan ni Mac ng pump last night. So, nag-reheat lang ako ng food. Yung kinain namin yesterday, yun pa rin yung ulam ngayon. And napadaan kami sa Crate and Barrel pala, guys. Ito, oh. Tingnan niyo to. Ang cute. Lalagyan ng sugar. Kasi, na-realize ko yung sugar namin walang lalagyan. So, ito. Nakita ko to from Crate and Barrel. Tapos, meron pa siyang, iba-iba siyang size. May small, medium, and large. And we bought the, the small one. Kasi hindi naman kami mahilig talaga sa sugar. Like, if mag-sugar kami, ang ano lang, for cooking. So, ito siya. And may free na 1 tablespoon na scoop here on the side. Kaya, and of course, nakabili na naman ako ng mga, anong tawag dito? Ng Christmas ornaments na ma-add dyan sa Christmas tree namin. Kasi, obsessed na ako dyan sa Christmas tree namin. Yun yung robe ko noon, kids section from Costco. And I had it for like a really long time now. And I feel like it's time to get a new robe. And I just got the pink one and from Victoria's Secret. So cute. Okay. It's Vlogmas day 13 and walang ganap. Nothing much. Wala kaming ginawa today. Nagluto lang ako ng spaghetti and Filipino style na spaghetti and it was a success. Hindi ko na vlog. Nakalimutan ko actually mag-open ng vlog. Talagang super tamad ako today, but the result of our COVID test came back and it's negative for the both of us. So, yay! I'm really happy about that. Na at least negative ang test namin dalawa. So, that's like the only update that I'm gonna give you. Mac is trying to, kinahabol pa rin niya yung Xbox na hindi niya hindi niya mahabol. So, he's trying to look for it online. So, yan lang yung ginagawa niya all day. And ako naman nag-Netflix na din ako all day. Okay, so ipakita ko sa inyo ha. Ano ko na lang to kasi I'm like really behind na naman sa mga vlogs ko. So, ito, ganito ganito na beanie. Very cute. I got this for like, $8.99 or $9. Yeah, parang Korean store yun eh. So, ito, meron ako nitong color. Merong white, I have red, I have pink. Yun, mga iba-ibang kulay yung mga nabili ko. So, yan, very cute. I'm gonna start gift wrapping them soon. Bango pa. Yeah, so i-wrap ko na lang sila soon. Ayan. Tapos yung ibang coworkers, like male coworkers na hindi ko alam kung ano ibibigay ko sa kanila, I'll just give them a gift card. Yeah, a gift card sa Starbucks or ano. Yan lang yung update, guys, for December 13. It's 8:31 p.m. I almost really forgot to open this vlog. Almost ko na nakalimutan. Ganun ako ka-behind na nakakalimutan ko nang mag-update sa vlog. Okay, so I'll see you guys later. Vlogmas day 14. Hey guys, so Mac and I are ready. Paalis na kami. Hindi kami mag-jacket Kasi I remember last time, guys, super yung pawis namin. Ito lang yung sinusuot ko. It's so cute. I have this bag, matchy-matchy sa aking top. Pwede to siya i-sling, but I'm using the top handle right now. And then leggings, of course, my go-to. Kasi mahirap akong makasakto ng pants. So I always go with leggings. Kasi kasya siya. Wait, hindi pa pala ako nakapag-lipstick. Tingnan nyo nga to. Mahilig pala akong mag-ano ng lips. Ang tawag dyan. Ginaganon ko yung lips ko. Babe, can you hold the camera, please? I'm gonna put my lipstick on. I'm gonna use this as a mirror. Yan. Coat it. So. Ayan. So, we finished my look. And, our tree pala, guys, is done. Well, may kulang pa na beads. May in-order ako na wooden beads na darating today and I will be putting it around kasi ayoko ng ribbon. Beaded garland. Wooden bead garland para maiba. And then I'm gonna go grab my mask. So hindi na ako nag-highlighter or anything kasi mag-mask naman matanggal lang. Sayang. So, magkuha muna ako ng mask. Okay. So. Ayan, alis na kami ni Max. So, I'm just wearing this hat. Meron akong isang pom-pom na beanie, pero parang feeling ko ang OA naman. Wala namang snow. Pero look at their tree. Ayan, very, very simple, yet, tingnan nyo. Simple lang siya, but yeah, I love it. It's like so cute. Diba ang cute? Love it, love it. Okay, guys, so we are back here sa car. Na-exchange ko na yung nabili ko na malaki yung size, and then bumili ako ng robe. And then slippers for gift. Yeah, so mag-start na akong mag-wrap siguro later. Ngayon papunta kami ng, where are we going, baby? Where are we going?
Santana Road.
I'm so thirsty. Santana Road. Okay. Pumunta kami ng Valley Fair and na-exchange ko na yung, na-return ko na yun at napalitan ko na nung magamit ko talaga as a gift kasi medyo nga maluwag yun. So, hindi ko na lang ipapakita kasi gift lang naman yun eh. But this one is really, really special. Come on, babe! Let's unbox it together! Ta-da! Thanks, babe.
Merry Christmas.
Early ng Christmas ko.
Advance Merry Christmas.
So, ang gusto ko talaga na color, guys, ay yung gray. Kaso, hindi siya available. Like, nagpunta na kami ng sold out siya everywhere. Wala sa Best Buy. Kahit ganitong color, sold out. Wala din sa Target. Dalawang Target store yung napuntahan namin hanggang nag-drive kami ng malayo just to get this one. But it's okay kasi napapalitan naman to, babe, diba? I'm thinking about getting the baby blue and the baby pink. Like the pastel color. So, the blue is yours and then the pink is mine. You know? Or white. I don't know. So, eto guys, we're gonna be unboxing it na. I'm very excited. Ayan. Ang aga ko binuksan ng gift, but that's okay. So, I can start playing na because I'm gonna be back to work and I'll be busy.
Pa siya for Xbox. Wala pa.
Si Mac yung matagal na may hinahanap, but ako yung unang nakahanap. Okay. Kahit nga ito. So, this one guys. Ito yung, so you can change it. But how do you open? May screw. So, pwede talaga siyang palitan.
Palitan yun, di mo siya whole joy. New joy.
Nakita ko papalitan mo siya rin yan yung shell.
Case? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Pwede ka magbuy ng shell. So, this one. Okay. I think like maybe we should go with the shell. Because like the sticker, masisira yung sticker. So, mas okay siguro yung shell. But I think we can enjoy it for now. The color. I mean, okay lang yan. Kasi, paano ba ito? Okay, and then we have the, ano tawag ito? The gaming screen, whatever. Okay. Ayan. And then you can slip the thing, right? Or, this one's like, supposed to be the right. Okay.
Bali.
Ay, sorry. Saan siya na po? And then we have this one. Mga wiring niya. Mac will do all those technical stuff.
Okay, stand.
Yeah, like how do I
don't know, I think.
You open it up. So you can put it on the table. Ayan. So and so it's gonna be on the table and then we can play. So that's pretty cool. And then we have this one. And then we have the grip, like the something joystick, Joy-Con grip. And then we have this one.
For the TV.
And then I thought it's big. Maliit lang pala siya.
Oh.
Okay. Cool. This is for the TV.
Yep.
And then maliit yung memory niya, guys. Only 32 gig. So bumili kami ng 256 na gigabyte. Kasi we are planning to buy games na yun nga anong tawag dyan, na mahabang laro-laro. I feel like kailangan niya ng, and then ito din for the Joy-Con. Yung parang ano, ang tawag dyan, babe? Like something para sa hand. Right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, for your hand. Ito pala ang power niya. You think it has battery? Yeah! Turning it on! I'm so happy! I feel like a kid.
You always have to keep.
I know. So, I don't know what I'm gonna play first, babe. Animal Crossing or Harvest Moon? I think I'm gonna go with Harvest Moon. English. I know. The Americas? Europe? Australia.
The Americans.
Oh, thanks, baby! Oh, I'm so happy. This is so cool. But I feel like... What? So we're starting to play na, guys. Very busy farming. See, ang easy din ng controls. Okay, now we're gonna water the plants. Let's start over here. Nagkamali ako dyan, oh. So you need to keep using your tools para mag-level up and then you can upgrade it.
Alright, palaroin naman natin siya. See you tomorrow. Babush!
See you!
What?